As we have seen, trees are incredibly important in our lives. They help to reduce the amounts of CO2 in the air by absorbing and storing carbon. They also produce oxygen, remove toxins, and reduce temperature by absorbing solar energy and reducing the reflection of sunlight. The effects of trees are essential in reducing air pollution and improving air quality worldwide. However, the removal of trees is currently causing a major controversy and requires specific planning from countries. The unnecessary removal of trees must be carefully calculated and precise to avoid creating unnecessary risks in this effort. Recent studies have shown that Earth currently has around 3 trillion trees. However, this number is gradually decreasing due to various factors such as deforestation, wildfires, natural disasters, etc. These are negative and significant factors that have great impact on our lives today. However, a small portion of the decrease in the number of trees is due to planning, removal of unnecessary trees, trees that are no longer alive, and trees that are affecting the surrounding landscape and may pose a risk to people and organisms. The following videos will give you a better insight into this issue. Let's explore together. As you can see in this video, he moves up the tree smoothly and quickly, then uses specialized tools to secure each branch of the tree. Below, the tool is fixed to the trunk of the tree to bring the removed branches down to the ground and avoid danger to people and homes below. He uses his strength and momentum to saw off the branches. The sawing sound makes the atmosphere chaotic. When the branches are cut into small sections, a shredder will process them into smaller pieces that are easy to transport. With skillful hands and smooth coordination, each tree trunk is quickly brought down and processed. Finally, the large tree trunk, with each cut, reveals the natural beauty of the tree's growth and strength. This process continues until the tree trunk becomes hollow and is completely removed. We can see that this is an ancient tree in the garden that has been around for many years, possibly up to 15 years old. However, due to the harshness of nature, the tree has become weak and lifeless. Removing it from the garden is necessary at this time. With a large machete in hand, he begins cutting off each branch of the tree one by one, removing them one by one. Only the tree trunk remains standing tall in the sky. Look at how he moves from the top of the tree to the ground, like a true circus performer. It seems as though he is enjoying life just as much as he is showcasing it. With a simple maneuver, all of the branches are crushed into pieces. Dust and wood chips fly everywhere, creating a different scene. He continues his work, cutting off piece by piece of the tree with the strength of his hands until the tree is stripped bare. A cup of coffee is a small gift to honor his hard work and effort in the job. We can see that the task of removing unnecessary trees is one of the important tasks that help to free up living space for humans. Before starting this job, you need to identify unnecessary trees and learn how to safely and effectively remove them. For large trees, you need to use pruning and sawing tools to remove them safely. After the trees have been removed, recycling methods can be used to reuse the materials from these trees. For example, you can use tree branches to make fertilizers or furniture for the garden. At the same time, removing unnecessary trees also helps to minimize risks to property and people in the surrounding area. However, before starting the task of removing unnecessary trees, you need to ensure that this task does not harm the environment and other organisms in the area. It's interesting to learn how the task of removing unnecessary trees will be carried out, which involves many experiences and different emotions. To enjoy different videos, please like, share, and subscribe to support us. Thank you and see you in the next video.